If you're trying to choose between Spocket and Deezers for your dropshipping store, the right pick really depends on your goals. Both platforms help you source products and fulfill orders, but they're built for different types of sellers. Spocket focuses on high quality products from US and European suppliers. That means faster shipping times and better packaging compared to typical AliExpress items. If your brand is aiming for a more premium feel or you want to avoid long delivery complaints, Spocket has the edge. The product catalog is smaller than Deezer's, but the items often feel more curated and better for stores that want repeat customers. Deezer's, on the other hand, is all about AliExpress automation. You get access to a massive range of products, usually at lower prices, and it's great for rapid testing. You can import hundreds of items fast, connect with multiple AliExpress suppliers, and use bulk ordering features that save time for your if you're scaling. It's perfect for budget-friendly products or trends you want to test fast, especially with TikTok ads. The big trade-off is that these are just better for speed and variety, but shipping times can still take 2 to 4 weeks unless you find a solid AliExpress supplier. Spocket gives you fewer products, but much faster shipping and better quality control. So if you're just trying to find a viral product quickly and test it with ads, go with Deezers. But if you're trying to build a real brand with reliable shipping and fewer customer complaints, Pocket is the better long-term choice. It does help clear up the difference. Hit like, subscribe for more honest e-commerce comparison, and let me know in the comments which one you're planning to use.